I'm out in Sin City with you on my mind. You're so damn pretty, got me all tongue-tied. Come run away with me while the stakes are high. When I feel like this, it's do or die. At the top floor, I can touch the sky. Take my hand, we can feel alive. I can see heaven if I close my eyes.
Hi, I'm Tanja from Germany, and today I want to show you something most photographers completely overlook. Most portraits doesn't feel coherent, not because the model isn't beautiful, but because the light doesn't match the look. A lot of people think good lighting is mostly technical. It's not. And today I will show you how to recognize the right light for your look in about 2 minutes. Let's jump into look number 1.
I'm out in Sin City with you on my mind. You're so
Elisa is wearing a soft silky two-piece in warm beige tones. Loose waves, warm smile, cozy energy. You know, the kind of vibe that feels like Sunday morning coffee. So my first idea was, let's go fully natural light. We tried shooting on the couch with the windows behind her. In theory, that sounded perfect. In reality, her face was way too dark. The light was flat, the eyes didn't sparkle, and her beautiful smile completely disappeared in the shadows. At that point, I had options. I could have used a reflector, but I didn't want to hold one, and I wasn't going to force someone else to stand there and juggle it for me. So instead, I went straight for a soft artificial light that still keeps the natural, gentle feel we wanted for this look.
I'm out in Sin City with you on my mind. You're so damn pretty, got me all tongue-tied. Come run away with me while the stakes are high. When I feel like this, it's do or die. At the top floor, I can touch the sky. Take my hand, we can feel alive. I can see heaven if I close my eyes. Catch me if you can on the other side. I dare you to make me feel something. I dare you, it's double or nothing. I dare you to make me feel something. I dare you, it's double or nothing. I'm out in Sin City with you on my mind. You're so
I set up the Godox AD200 Pro with a big round about 1 meter reflective umbrella and a diffusion layer. The goal was simple: brighten her face, keep everything soft and stay true to the silky, flowy look. And the difference was instant. Here is the natural light version. It's okay, but it's flat, tired eyes, no dimensionality. And here's the version with the umbrella. The eyes come alive, the skin glows, the expression finally matches the mood. But we still had one problem. The bright window above the couch was pulling attention away from her, and shooting from a higher angle made her look smaller and cutesy, which wasn't the intention at all. So we moved her down onto the floor. Same corner, same colors, but without the distracting window. And suddenly everything looked calmer and more intentional.
over the desert, a wind blows in, holding my secrets and all my sins. I always knew it'd come down to this. The legend foretold it, it's written in the stars on the roof of your car. I'll go anywhere as long as it's far. I could use the company, but don't talk too much, 'cause talk is cheap. Sin City with you on my mind. You're so
From there, we switched to a beige wall with a beige armchair. A clean, neutral setup that lets the light, the fabric and the expression take center stage. I keep the same lighting. AD200, big umbrella, a soft Rembrandt angle. And I shoot slightly from below while Elisa turned her face towards the light, which gives her more presence and elegance. Here you can see a few examples. Natural light versus strobe, couch versus floor versus wall. Same person, same outfit, same room. Totally different mood depending on the light and the angle.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones are what I used to build a home. And I may have sleepless nights, but I enjoy the moonlight. I collided with the earth and met my maker in the eyes. I should have turned away, but I stayed. I collided with the earth and met my maker in the eyes. I should have turned to go, but I love tremble. Pitch black, I open my eyes up. I see life for the first time. Hey, you got something to say. I wouldn't listen anyway. I may have to change my name. Never know me like you say. Sometimes it almost hurts, but you're not really worth the thought. I hope you know, never gonna see me low. You're never gonna run me down, 'cause you're just a king without a crown. I hope you know.
And before we move on to look 2, a quick little thing. If any of this already helped you, feel free to give this video a like and tell me in the comments what you struggle the most in your portrait sessions. Maybe I can make a video just for that. And if you want to join me on my slightly chaotic but very honest learning journey, you can subscribe right now.
I'm out in Sin City with you on my mind. You're so
Okay, now we move on to look number 2. Elisa changed into an oversized grey pinstripe suit. We pulled her hair back tightly to match the clean, structured vibe. This look is confident, modern, a bit CEO energy. Very different from the soft first look. And that means different light. The big umbrella from look 1 would smooth everything out too much. So I switched to the Godox V1 with a dome diffuser. Still round and flattering, but with more definition and a little extra punch in the face.
Tu belleza natural, dame de eso. I can be your man, baby, yo no invento. Tell me what I gotta do to move it lento. But I love the way you move it violento. And I love the way you move it violento. Pero baby, ahora muévelo lento. Esta noche tú mueves la cintura. Esta noche te prende la locura. No me hagas sufrir más esta tortura. Si sabes, mami, que tú estás bien dura. Mueve la cadera como trompo. Show me what you like y yo vengo con el combo. Pon la mano arriba con el hombro. Clap your hands y ahora meneame ese bombón. Tu belleza natural, dame de eso. I can be your man, baby, yo no invento. Tell me what I gotta do to move it lento. But I love the way you move it violento. And I love the way you move it violento.
The setup was a neutral background with a graphic grey chair. With Elisa was changing, I tested the set without her. One shot with the olive tree, one without. The tree created messy shadows and pulled attention away, so it had to go. Same story later with the flower vase. Small things make a big difference in portraits. When Elisa sat down, she sank into the chair a bit, which softened the pose too much. A tiny adjustment, leaning slightly forward, suddenly brought all the confidence back. Same person, same suit, brand new energy. We also used a clean hallway for some standing shots. The more structured light worked beautifully with the lines of the suit.
I'm out in Sin City with you on my mind. You're so damn pretty, got me all tongue-tied. Come run away with me while the stakes are high. When I feel like this, just do or die. At the top floor, I can touch the sky. Take my hand, we can feel alive. I can see heaven if I close my eyes. Catch me if you can on the other side. I dare you to make me feel something. I dare you, it's double or nothing. I dare you to make me feel something. I dare you, it's double or nothing. I'm on the edge, don't bring me down. When I'm with you, I don't touch the ground. There's luck in the air, feel.
And then we played a little mirror shots. I don't have behind the scenes, but I will explain it. It's not easy. Most of the time you accidentally photograph the entire room, including yourself. But we still got a couple of interesting frames, and that's exactly the point. Not everything has to be perfect. Sometimes it's just about exploring and expanding your eyes. This setup only took 2 minutes. It was when we already finished. I saw it and I said, let's try it, and it was perfect. And now, as promised, here is my little 2-minute look and light formula. I will talk you through it while the list is on screen. Pause it, screenshot it, save it, whatever works for you. The idea is simple. Light is not the starting point. The concept is. A concept is made of different parts. Outfit, fabric, structure, hair, makeup, pose, expression, mood and background. And then the light. Soft light is gentle, dreamy, harmonious. Harder light adds structure, clarity and presence. Both are useful. Neither is the right way. You can absolutely shoot a strong, powerful pose with a soft light. You can also shoot a delicate, elegant look with harder light. The only question that matters is, does the light support the story you want to tell? And if you don't work with stylists or makeup artists, you are the one shaping the whole concept. The wardrobe, the hair, the mood, the pose and the light. It's a lot. But that's what makes portrait photography so rewarding. This little formula isn't a rule book. It's just a starting point. My way of thinking. You will find your own rhythm as you grow. And if you want to see how to create beautiful portraits using only one simple light setup, click on the next video. I will see you there. Bye!